All right, so here we have my ticketing system. Um, let's see if I can make a fake user again here. No LinkedIn URL. We'll just make it. All right, so I want to fix that button, but we have that account. I already have made accounts here. So I'm going to demonstrate just the capabilities of the working profile and database, logout button, and all that good stuff. So that works. I smoothed out my buttons, gave a little color to them. I got to do the same thing to that. That's, yeah, I got to do the same thing to that. You know what I haven't tried? I haven't tried this. Okay, so it's definitely storing the session. Make sure my ticketing system works. Ticketing system works. I changed flash messages to pop-ups, but don't have that 100% sorted out yet. Started working on that last night. Let's see, how's our 404? Let's see if we can actually get to something. All right, back works. So that's not right. Form is supposed to clear. Okay, I'll have to take a look at that. It'll clear on refresh. Okay, it only clears on it does clear on refresh. I'll have to fix that. How about logging out? That should have gave me a session error. Huh. There we go. That's why if I would have done anything, I would have got a bad CSRF. Okay. All right. So I've done a lot of work since the last little clip there. I've actually been working quite a bit on this. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's log in. Oh, so got my session set to 1 minute just to demonstrate that. So all of this still works. All of that's still basically the same. Edited my buttons a little bit so the colors invert when you go over them. And you can still, do all that kind of stuff. I changed that to Google, but that's because I wanted to show you guys this. And throwing some random stuff there. I think my session expired again. Let's see. My session didn't expire. Oh, it's validation. So it's still going to take you to Google. Let's go ahead and log out. And I'll show you some of this. We can go to the back button. We can go to our pages here, but you get met with a little bit of resistance. Hmm. Yeah, you get met with some mad resistance there. But anyway, now we can log back in. I updated my user profile, and then now this won't take me to Google anymore. And that is a little bit of the power of encryption. And I want to show you guys my database. This is my database. And I have most things encrypted, not encrypted usernames, not encrypted no email address, anybody's email addresses. That's for login purposes. That information stays inside the database. It is all encrypted through the wire. As you did see, I did encrypt the subject and the description previously. I also made a decryptor for it, but that's too much. I'm not making a Snapchat competitor messaging service here. Fine with that. Yeah, that's the database. You can see the user email addresses down here. You can see the user names. That is all from, as you see. I could input that too. Fields. That will help a little bit with some stuff. Let's see, is anything else we can show you guys? About the gist of it. Refine this a little bit more and do some things like that. Oh, please log in to access your dashboard. Be timed out. You know what? Let's use one of these users that doesn't have URL. Oh, he does. Okay. Doesn't have one. Yeah, he does. Forgot what I named his person. Yeah, let's see, they all have one. Guess I forgot what I made F as his name. Alright, well, we can resolve that real quick. Watch this. And it's cool because before I was talking about how I couldn't update my database on the fly. I had to completely delete it and remake it and all that stuff. But I kind of fixed that. So we create that later and I'll will handle that one. Let's see, okay. I gotta handle that one too. I already have that user. Oh, that's not the problem. What did it delete? Alright, I do have to close the Flask. Stop process real quick. Now we have a nice fresh clean database created for us. I will show you guys that here. You know what it looks like. This is what it looks like now. All cleaned up. Now we will create our user again. We will not do a link. We will not do a LinkedIn. What? I'm gonna fix that session lifetime here too. Session lifetime is fixed. And no LinkedIn URL found for this user. Let's go visit our profile and let's demonstrate this here. I don't think that one would work, but yeah, let's see. So it won't let us do this. We have a few things that don't meet the criteria. First off, let's go ahead and change this to one that we know it should be. We'll even just do regular old LinkedIn. So that takes us to our feed anyway when we're logged into our session in our browser. Oh, hey, let me do that. So I'll have to fix the validation for my street address. But then, yeah, we see nothing changes there. We can even refresh, nothing changes there. We can change our colors and nothing changes. But as soon as we log out, log back in, hey, look at that, we got a nice log on there. Click on if there's anything else in it. This is infinite scrolling. Box go and go and go and go and go. And then they're going to get 500 characters inside this box though. Oh, yeah, let's see what happens when you do this. Oh, let's do this. Form's actually clear. That's not clear, but oh, it's because I'm in the session. Alright, now watch this. I log out, and I go try to piggyback off that. Oops. Session is closed. You cannot piggyback off that.